Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Next Road. In this new video, the host explores the question of how far you can drive on a spare tire. A spare tire is meant to be a temporary solution in case of a flat tire, not a permanent replacement. It is important to remember that spare tires are smaller and not designed for long distances or high speeds. Driving on a spare tire for too long can be risky as it may affect your vehicle's handling and stability. It is recommended to drive on a spare tire for no more than 50 to 70 miles at speeds below 50 miles per hour. After using a spare tire, it is crucial to replace it with a proper full-size tire as soon as possible to ensure safety on the road. Remember, always check your spare tire's condition and pressure regularly to be prepared for unexpected situations. Thanks for watching. Please support us by liking and sharing video.